Hi guys, this is Ahyat Ishak and you are watching Ahyat Property TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now today I'm going to do a video series on a particular topic that might be a little bit sensitive, might not necessarily be a topic that most investors want to talk about, want to actually think about as a property investor, and it's really about this current state of affairs and how the property market is shaping up right now in Malaysia and this region. Now, it's really about this. A lot of investors ask me in fact, Ahyat, is the party going to be over? Now, it's a very interesting question. In fact, it's a question that I ask myself, and that's why I want to do a video series on this particular question. It might be a question that a lot of you property investors in Malaysia and the region have going through your minds right now. Now, what's most important before we even go into some of the other things that I want to share with you on this topic is the most important thing right now is that every property investor need to be aware that no party will last forever. And as much as we don't want this to happen, every party will end. There will be an ending to any party. I mean, if you've been to a party before, you know it'll always start a little bit edgy, cold. People don't warm up yet, and once people get warmed up, start noticing people coming into the party. I mean, it regardless what party, it could be a birthday party, it could be a rave party, the trance parties or whatever. So it starts out cold, and then as it warms up, people start to come in, and the more and more people that comes in, then the party gets warmer, if you know what I mean. It gets more active, and people have lots of fun. At one point or another, some people are not even gonna think about, hey, I'm having so much fun right now, and they're not even thinking about, hey, the party is gonna be over in another 1 or 2 hours time. And some people get carried away in parties, and perhaps you drank too much, and when the party's over, you're gonna get a hangovers, and it really depends on how you handle the hangovers when the party ends. Now, we're gonna talk about what a property investor can do when the party actually stops. And I'm not gonna predict. I'm not even gonna try to predict if the party is gonna stop right now. It's gonna stop soon, or when. I'm not gonna even predict when exactly the party is gonna end, or whatever. But the first message that I want to send to everyone, especially if you're a property investor, is that the bull run can't last forever. The party can't last forever, and as the law of the universe states, whatever goes up can't go up forever. It must come down, and naturally, and luckily, it's the law of the universe is quite fair. Nothing that goes up can go up forever, and nothing that goes down will stay down. It will come back up. So that's the first thing. I just want to send a message to everyone. It's not something fun to think about, but yep, just be aware that it could end, the party can end, but there's lots and lots of strategies that you can place, that you can do as a property investor to continue having fun, no matter if the party is on or not. So yep, that's the first message that I want to send to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.